Hey guys, I just wanted to show you the difference between a water pump that's failing on a 1cc and a water pump that's good. So when your water pump is starting to go out, because this water pump was still good when I pulled it out, but if you can see, like, there's less resistance when you turn it, so like it keeps on spinning. There's also a weird sound if you listen closely. This makes a ringing noise. But if you check out this water pump, this other one that I got from a parts car, it doesn't make that same sound, and there's more resistance to it. So this water pump is good, and this other one is starting to go out because of that sound that it makes. So I just wanted to show you guys. That was like kind of interesting.